Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for deep dives into the best products online. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best Thanksgiving disposable serving trays plastic aluminum foil set currently available. The 36-pack premium Thanksgiving leftover containers with lids by Lamparty. Whether you're hosting a large family gathering or planning to send guests home with delicious leftovers, this set is a total game changer. Let's get into the details. Right out of the box, this package includes 36 aluminum containers with matching lids, each measuring 6.1 inches wide, 8.2 inches long, and 1.8 inches high. That's the ideal size for storing leftover turkey, stuffing, pie slices, or full portions of a meal. These trays are not only leak-proof and durable but also oven-safe. Simply remove the lid and heat your food directly in the container. No messy transfers, no extra dishes. What makes these containers stand out is their seasonal touch. Each lid features a festive Thanksgiving design, and there are 6 unique ones in total. They aren't just practical, they're stylish, and make a statement when gifting food to friends and family. From pumpkins to fall leaves and autumn colors, these designs complement the cozy spirit of Thanksgiving. The containers are made of premium aluminum foil, strong enough to hold everything from heavy casseroles to moist desserts without bending or leaking. The tin foil helps maintain the temperature of the food inside, keeping things warm or cold as needed. That means your pumpkin pie stays fresh, your mashed potatoes retain their texture, and your turkey doesn't dry out. The lids are made from sturdy cardstock and printed with fade-resistant, high-quality ink. They don't just snap on, they fit snugly to avoid spills and preserve freshness. It's a small touch that adds both convenience and presentation value. Beyond leftovers, these trays are perfect for meal prepping, to-go meals, bake sales, and potlucks. Set up a self-serve leftover station with these trays and let guests pack up their own meals. These make a festive, professional impression during the holiday season. They're also ideal for storing extra batches of food in your fridge or freezer. Stackable, space-saving, and ready for reheating, they simplify your kitchen operations during the busiest cooking time of the year. With 36 containers and lids, you get more than enough to cover an entire Thanksgiving party. 6 of each design allows for fun variety, and at the price point, it's a great value, especially considering how much time and cleanup they save. No more juggling mismatched Tupperware or searching for missing lids. These are disposable, recyclable, and downright convenient. Whether you're giving leftovers to guests, storing your own, or preparing for your next fall-themed meal prep, the Lamparty 36-pack delivers both function and festive flair. It's more than just a storage solution, it's a Thanksgiving essential. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. See you next time for more honest takes on top-rated products.